Today, let's talk about Nixie tubes, a beautiful piece of vintage electronic history, and how we can recreate their iconic look using modern technology. What is a Nixie tube? A Nixie tube is an electronic display device used to show numbers. Inside the glass tube, there is a low-pressure neon gas, and multiple metal electrodes shaped like digits. Each digit is stacked behind the others, giving Nixie tubes their unique three-dimensional glow. How does a Nixie tube work? When a high voltage, typically 110 to 200 volts DC, is applied, the neon gas ionizes. The selected digit lights up in a bright orange glow. Only one digit lights at a time, controlled by switching the corresponding electrode. When were Nixie tubes invented? Nixie tubes were invented in the 1950s during the early days of digital electronics. They became popular in measurement equipment, calculators, laboratory instruments, long before LCD and LED displays existed. What are Nixie tubes used for today? Decorative clocks, retro design projects, collector electronics. They are loved for their warm glow and nostalgic appearance. The modern alternative, LCD displays. Modern devices use LCD displays instead of Nixie tubes. LCDs are low voltage, energy efficient, inexpensive. Easy to control with microcontrollers. But visually, they are very different, unless we get creative. Recreating the Nixie look with LCD displays. With the right graphics, an LCD display can look surprisingly similar to a real Nixie tube. There are high-quality PNG images of Nixie digits available online. These images capture the glow, the depth, the characteristic shape of real Nixie digits. From images to embedded displays. To use these images on microcontrollers, PNG files are converted into 16-bit RGB 506H format. This format is ideal for embedded TFT displays. Using displays such as the ST7735 and the ILI9341, the ESP32 can render Nixie-style digits smoothly and efficiently. Building a Nixie-style clock. With this approach, we can build a digital clock that looks like a Nixie tube clock. A typical setup uses 5 displays, 2 for hours, 2 for minutes, 1 for the column separator. Each display shows one digit, just like real Nixie tubes. The result is extremely eye-catching, especially impressive in low light or dark environments. It delivers the Nixie aesthetic without high voltage or fragile glass. Want to build one yourself? If you're curious how to build this project step by step, check the link in the video description for the full guide.